Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to unmute someone in Google Meet. So let's say I want to unmute this person. You can see that I cannot unmute them because they are someone else, and there is no technical trick to remotely unmute them because it's a privacy safeguard from Google, so the control stays with the participant. So basically there are workarounds. So the first workaround is the chat prompt. You can send them a quick message in the Meet chat. So basically you are muted, please unmute. This will be something like here, and send them, you are muted. Then of course you can show them a visual cue. So if you are on camera, make a clear gesture like pointing to your mic. This often works faster in a group setting. The third workaround is host announcement. So if you are a host, you can say something like, looks like you are muted. Please click the microphone at the bottom. So everyone hears it, but it gets their attention quickly. And fourth is a raise hand feature. So ask them to use the raise hand feature when ready to speak. So then you can prompt them to unmute. So they will basically click raise hand, and it will show you that somebody has raised their hand, and you can tell them to speak. And of course, direct message outside Meet is possible as well. So hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.